What if two people earn the same amount of money, but one builds security while the other keeps feeling stressed? The difference is often not luck, income, or talent. The difference is habits. Small money habits repeated for years can create stability, freedom, and peace, or they can create stress and financial pressure. Many people focus on making more money, but they ignore the daily systems that control where that money goes. Building long-term financial security is not about one perfect decision. It is about simple actions repeated again and again. In this video, we will break down the top 5 money habits that improve long-term financial security. Let's get started. 1. Pay yourself before you pay everyone else. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting until the end of the month to save money. They receive income, pay bills, buy things they want, spend on daily life, and then try saving whatever remains. The problem is simple. Most months, very little remains. This is why one of the strongest money habits is paying yourself first. Think of savings like a monthly bill that must be paid. Before spending on entertainment, shopping, or lifestyle upgrades, move money towards savings or investments. Even a small percentage can make a difference when repeated consistently. The goal is not to save huge amounts immediately. The goal is to build a system that happens every month. This habit also trains your mind to treat your future as a priority, not an afterthought. Automation makes this easier. When your paycheck arrives, automatically move a fixed amount into savings or investments. If the money never stays in your spending account, you are less likely to use it. Over time, this habit becomes normal and requires less effort. It removes the daily pressure deciding whether to save or spend. Your system makes the smart decision before temptation appears. Start with a realistic target. Some people begin with 10%. Others start smaller. The exact number matters less than consistency. Financial security grows when saving becomes automatic rather than optional. 2. Build layers of financial protection. Financial security is difficult when every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. A car repair, medical bill, broken phone, or temporary income problem can destroy progress if there is no protection. This is why building financial safety layers is important. These layers give you breathing room when life does not go according to plan. The first layer is immediate cash for small problems. This money covers everyday surprises without creating stress. The second layer is a larger emergency fund for serious situations like income loss, medical problems, or major repairs. Keeping all your money in one place can make things confusing, so separating these layers makes management easier. Start by building a small emergency fund first. Once that exists, slowly expand it until you have several months of necessary expenses saved. This process takes time, but every step creates more security. Even 1 month of basic expenses can make you feel more stable than starting from zero. Keep emergency money somewhere safe and easy to access. The goal is not fast growth. The goal is protection. Many people ignore emergency savings because it feels boring. But boring money often creates the biggest peace of mind. When you know cash is available for real problems, you're less likely to panic or depend on expensive debt. Financial security is not only about growing money, it is also about protecting yourself from situations that can push you backward. 3. Remove expensive debt before it controls your future. Not all debt creates the same problems. Some debt costs much more than others because of high interest rates. Credit cards and expensive loans can quietly damage financial progress because interest keeps growing while your money disappears. If you ignore this debt for too long, it can become harder to escape later. Start by listing every debt you owe. Write down balances, minimum payments, and interest rates. Looking at debt clearly may feel uncomfortable, but clarity creates control. Once everything is written down, choose a system. A clear list turns debt from a confusing problem into a plan you can actually follow. It also helps you see which debt is hurting your money the most. Some people prefer paying the smallest balance first because quick wins create motivation. Others focus on the highest interest rates first because it reduces total interest costs. Both approaches can work. The important thing is staying consistent. Pick one method and stay with it long enough to see progress. When you see one balance going down, it gives you energy to keep moving. At the same time, stop adding unnecessary new debt. Paying debt while continuing bad habits creates slow progress. Try reducing spending that forces you to borrow repeatedly. Even small changes in daily spending can give you extra money to attack debt faster. Think of expensive debt like a leak in your financial system. You can pour more money into savings and investments, but if large amounts continue leaking through interest, progress becomes harder. Reducing expensive debt creates stronger cash flow, lower stress, and more money available for future goals. Every balance you reduce gives your future more space to grow. 4. Make your money work instead of sitting still. Saving money creates protection, but investing money creates growth. Many people avoid investing because it feels complicated, risky, or confusing. But long-term financial security often requires more than saving, because inflation slowly reduces the value of money over time. If your money only sits still for years, it may lose buying power. You do not need to become a market expert. You do not need to spend hours studying stocks every day. The important habit is consistency. Regular investing over long periods often matters more than trying to predict perfect timing. A simple plan followed for years can be more powerful than a complicated plan you cannot maintain. One simple approach is investing automatically every month. When investing happens on schedule, emotions become less important. You invest during good times and bad times without constantly changing your plan. This helps you avoid panic decisions when the market moves up or down. Time is one of the strongest tools in investing. Small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly because growth builds on previous growth. This is why starting earlier can matter more than starting big. The earlier you begin, the more time your money gets to work for you. Keep your system simple. Avoid chasing trends, reacting emotionally, or changing strategies every few weeks. Long-term financial security usually rewards patience more than excitement. Your money should slowly build momentum while you continue focusing on everyday life. The goal is not quick profit. The goal is steady growth that supports your future. 5. Stop lifestyle growth from eating income growth. One of the biggest financial traps happens when income increases. Many people earn more money but still feel financially stuck because spending increases at the same speed. Bigger salaries create bigger expenses, bigger lifestyles, and bigger expectations. This is why earning more does not always create security. This habit is often called lifestyle creep. It happens quietly. You upgrade your phone, apartment, car, subscriptions, shopping habits, or daily spending because income feels higher. The problem is that future wealth never gets a chance to grow. If every raise becomes new spending, your financial situation may look better from the outside, but feel the same inside. A simple habit can solve this problem. Whenever income increases through raises, bonuses, or side income, immediately send part of that increase towards savings, investing, or debt reduction. This allows you to enjoy success while still building your future. It also keeps your lifestyle from growing faster than your financial foundation. You do not need to save every extra dollar. Enjoying life matters too, but automatically directing part of income growth toward financial goals creates balance. You can improve your life today and still protect tomorrow. This habit is powerful because it allows your wealth to grow alongside your career. Instead of staying on the same financial treadmill year after year, your financial security improves with every income increase. Small adjustments during good times create major results later. There you have it, the top 5 money habits that improve long-term financial security. Building financial security does not happen through one lucky moment or one perfect decision. It happens through habits repeated consistently over time. Start saving before spending, build protection, remove expensive debt, invest consistently, and stop lifestyle growth from taking all your progress away. You do not need to change everything today. Start with one habit and build from there. Comment below which habit you want to start first. If this video helped you, click the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple money lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again.